What's up, guys? Today we have the Schlage model, FE595, no, kind of forgot it, electronic door lock. This has kind of seized up, can't seem to open it anyway. The original key can't even be inserted. I'm not sure what happened, but yeah, I got a new one. It's probably another video. I don't know if it's been released or not because I don't know when I'll be posting these videos. I don't know. But alright, it works. For the keypad, one of the user codes is 6852. If we type that in, 6852, it still opens, yeah. But we'll be taking it apart today, see what's in there, tearing it down. Alright, let's get started. First step, I'd say, is pop the handles off. That's easy. I just need something thin and sharp, like this spike here. Press on that. Alright, that was one handle. Now let's do the other one. Just rest it like that. Alright, both handles out. I'm not sure what that is, but it's removable. Oh, I see, it's to hold this in. So I can clamp down both at the same time. This should come out, but maybe later. This one's got it as well. You can remove that. So now, just take out my drill to make it easier. The power drill. Now we just need a screwdriver tip. Well, since all the screws are pretty deep, I'm going to go with this from my DeWalt kit. Very long one, so. One removed, two removed. Now this front face plate should come off. It's made of metal. Very high quality. Very solid, yep. No one's gonna break down this door. Well, if the door is hollow, maybe they'll probably break it down. Okay. Here is the battery, which is just a standard 9-volt. I'll be keeping that battery connector. I can use it for a lot of things. Don't have to buy on Amazon. Right, where's my pliers? This is the best I can get for pliers. It has a plier head at the top to remove this kind of spring bar for the sensor. Not really a sensor as much as it is a switch, actually, for the switch. This tells it whether you want to keep it unlocked or keep it locked, or you can actually switch it to stay unlocked or switch it to stay locked. That's what this switch does. Now there's this little screw here. Well, you're not really supposed to remove it. It just holds the thing in. This to the front. Yeah, you know what I mean. So here is the plastic frame. Still that there. It's hard to remove those clips. But whatever, not too important. Here is the latch. And now, time to remove Torx screws. Good thing I have my iFixit Manta kit here. It's a very good tool set. I recommend it. Not sponsored by them. Although probably a lot of great products. Anyway, on to removing a lot of Torx screws. Actually, only 4. Not bad. Okay, so you have the wire that connects the keypad here. The one in the front, one whatever code you set up is then transfer. Actually, the computers, the brains are actually in here because all there is in here is a switch and the battery. Okay, that should come out, no problem. Okay, that's the back of the front part. Oh, the whole thing just fell out. I should have seen how it was put together initially. I might be able to do it. So of course that goes there, kind of self-explanatory. Now I'd like to know what actually happens when you punch in a user code. Okay, without this installed, I'm not sure how it works, but let me try anyway. So I'm going to connect the battery up. Oh shoot, the camera can't see it. I'm going to pan the camera over. Right. One of the user codes is 6852. Okay, that pushes down. Yeah, that's all it does. It pushes down. That's interesting because I was thinking of turning this into a electronic only. That means like keywayless lock. But I guess someone could just press down on that from outside. So never mind that. Anyway, we're still taking this apart. What was the code again? 6852. Okay, so we're going to press that in. So this motor actually spins and moves where this is. It pushes it up and down so that it can engage and disengage the locking mechanism. Okay. The rest of this is pretty simple. Have a little motor that will spin and engage and disengage that locking mechanism I was talking about earlier. There's the spring. Disconnect the motor. There's a little beeper here. And that's where all the user codes are stored, actually. In here. I told you the computer is right behind the keypad. And the only stuff behind it is actually the battery and switch. that tells it you want to keep it unlocked and locked. Now, here's the keyway itself, the core, the lock core. It's not in great shape, doesn't look like. How do I remove that? Is it glued on? I don't want to disassemble this. It's very powdery. Not sure what that was. Also, there's a little ring near the side that you can kind of push off. Ooh, there it is. Ooh, so it actually goes out that way. Not really sure then how to remove this back piece. I'll figure it out eventually, but it'll probably not be on video. But yeah, anyway, that's the lock core. And then here are the metal front and back pieces. And that kind of sums it up. It's just kind of like tearing this thing apart. Not really for any goal or objective, but just for the fun of it. Yeah, it was kind of all for the fun of it. Didn't need this anymore. Got a new one. The video's coming out soon. It's a very small board, but I mean, doesn't have much function other than to engage and disengage a motor when the correct code is punched in. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.